Hi everybody. Quick info here about how to read your meters at home. We've got two of the meters here, some of the older ones and some of the newer ones. We'd like to show you how you read these meters from your own home. So let's start with our older meter. This is the physical read meter that you're going to find out in your meter box. You're going to have a blue indicator that tells you when flow is happening. And the red lever is your counter. This one's counting in tenths. And as it goes around, it'll read 1 cubic foot of water. That'll change your first white number on black background. The city bill's in 100 cubic feet, which would be the first black number on a white background. So every time this goes around 100 times, that's 1 billing unit. Switching to our electronic meters, as you open it, you'll get various screens, and you can toggle through the screens by placing your thumb over the little input window. When you get to a screen that has all of the number spots taken, that's your actual read. And the city bill's in 100 cubic feet. This screen here that says gallons will tell you your flow rate. So right now, not attached, 0 gallons. But if you had your irrigation on or something, you'll see the actual flow rate here. This is information that's available in our new E-Series meters.